Ready? Whoa! Scooby-Doo does a forward front flip. Takes the lead. Here comes Max D. Max D turns over. Gravedigger. Oh no, Gravedigger turns over.
He's in the way.
Ice Cream Man. Ice Cream Man. Come on. Oh dude, look at Team Hot Wheels out of nowhere. Team Hot Wheels. Finishes. Right on top of the finish line.
My first monster truck.
That was so epic. Max D. Oh!
And you broke it!
And we broke it! Today we are doing Monster Jam truck racing. So, the boys have their monster trucks. There is Brayden's monster trucks. Brayden, what monster trucks do you have?
Golden Z.
Yeah?
Diggle, Max D.
And then Lucca, who do you have?
I have Hot Wheels, and I have this little bull guy.
And that is the Hot Wheels monster truck. And I have Pirate's Curse, Ice Cream Man, and Blue Thunder.
Kid, do you see Wendigo on this wheel? Looks like he can land like that.
That was pretty awesome. So what we're trying to do in this video is we're at the top of the driveway. We gotta race all the way down. And you can see it down here. We have our finish line banner. And we got our finish line banner from butcherpaperking.com. We are trying to do different things with some stuff that we bought from the Butcher Paper King just to spend time while we're in the stay-at-home quarantine due to COVID-19. So we're trying to have fun, keep activities going, stay outside, make more epic videos for all of you to watch BLB Adventures. So thank you for watching our channel. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, tell all your friends, all your family about our cool channel. I mean, look at this kid, Brayden. Nothing gets cooler than that green Adidas shirt. And then Lucca over here. And then Lucca over here. It's cool. All right, so Lucca, tell everyone what we want to do.
Something. Boogers on her face.
Ah, boogers on her face. Ew, he did. I'm gonna have to wipe the screen. You actually did get a booger on the camera. All right, Lucca, what are we trying to do? Are we racing all three at once, or are we just doing one at a time? One at a time.
One at a time from each monster truck, so it's basically 3 at a time still.
Okay, so the first race, Lucca, pick your monster truck. Brayden, you pick your monster truck.
I'm gonna take Hot Wheels with the flag.
Okay, grab your monster trucks and race them down. And I'm gonna follow with the camera. Ready? Race Blue Thunder for me. Alright, Brayden, ready? Pick one monster truck. You're gonna pick all 4? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, here we go. Here goes Max D. Uh-oh, Max D turned over. Here's another Max D. Oh, it turned the wrong way. Gravedigger turned the wrong way. What do we have up there?
Mine won!
Gravedigger went the farthest. So in the first race, no one got close to making it to our finish line. Our cool little backdrop right there, butcherpaperking.com. Thank you so much for giving us such a great deal on all this stuff for our kids during the coronavirus. All right, so we have all the monster trucks going right now. This is going to be crazy. All right, boys, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Here they come. Gravedigger takes the lead. Here comes Max D. Max D turns over. Gravedigger. Oh no, Gravedigger turns over.
He's in the way.
Ice Cream Man. Ice Cream Man. Come on. Oh dude, look at Team Hot Wheels out of nowhere. Team Hot Wheels. Finishes! Right on top of the finish line!
My first monster truck!
That was so epic!
What we do?
Oh, Ice Cream Man!
He's at the finish line!
That was pretty awesome! I don't know what happened to Team Hot Wheels. Out of nowhere, came roaring down and was able to get to the finish line. We have a cool backdrop race car finish line banner. So epic! the monster trucks back. And we are gonna race again. For you all at home, we want you to go to our Facebook page, which is right now at the bottom of your screen. There is what our Facebook page is called. Search BLB Adventures on Facebook. We want you to go find our video and let us know, the fans of our channel, who is your favorite monster truck in this episode. We want to hear from you. Also, if you have awesome ideas of videos you want us to make, please go to our Facebook page and then comment on the video and let us know what videos you want us to make next. All right, here we go. The boys have all the monster trucks lined up, our Hot Wheels monster trucks, and we are going with race number 3. Oh yeah, let's get it going, boys. Here we go. Team Hot Wheels is off to a big lead. Team Hot Wheels is going. Oh no, where's Team Hot Wheels going? In the grass. Here comes Ice Cream Man. Ice Cream Man slowly going. Turning. Go. Oh no. Brayden gave him a push. The truck. Oh, the Hot Wheels monster truck just did a backflip and landed.
Okay, what do you think went? This guy was going pretty fast trying to catch up with my speed, but who do you think won?
I don't know, Lucca.
They both went in the same thing, but they didn't go on here, so nobody won.
Nobody won? Should we ask the kids at home, who do they think that won between, what was it, Ice Cream Man, and then also the Hot Wheels monster truck?
I think it was both because he did the backflip.
What do you think of our cool race car finish line, our checkered finish line? Is that pretty epic?
Yeah, it's checkers. So if you have any really big checkers, you can just play checkers and just make it a square.
Yeah, exactly. So ask for Crazy Scott at butcherpaperkeen.com. He was the one that hooked us up with a great deal. Crazy Scott is a friend of mine, so this is not a paid promotion. It's just helping out a fellow friend. Pause for halftime. Check out these epic Monster Jam clips. After a couple of Monster Jam freestyles, we'll be back with more Hot Wheels Monster Truck Monster Jam racing. Oh yeah. monster trucks going?
I'm doing all of them.
Ready, set, go. Oh no! Here we go. Max D is off to the lead.
Oh!
Here comes Gravedigger.
Maxie!
Gravedigger tumbled over. Here goes Team Hot Wheels, turned over. We have a crash at Pop. There they go. A second star. Wow, Team Hot Wheels is fast. Is Team Hot Wheels gonna make the checker line? Yes! Team Hot Wheels makes the checker line.
My second win!
There was a little bit of help because it did crash at the top of the hill. 3, 2, 1. Let them go. Oh no! Here comes the monster truck. We got Max D in the lead. We got Ice Cream Man coming behind. We got Tumbling. We got Bumbling. Ice Cream Man might make it. Ice Cream Man getting so close. Ice Cream Man going to the finish line. Oh! Ice Cream Man crashes at the finish line but made it on.
And Team Hot Wheels.
Team Hot Wheels did not make it. Lucca pushed Team Hot Wheels at the end.
Team Hot Wheels made it because when I walked away, but Team Hot Wheels made it.
Lucca's saying
Yeah,
yes.
I saw.
Thank you for watching BLB Adventures. We're trying to stay creative while we're staying at home during the COVID-19 pandemic. Lucca, what do you have to say to everyone?
Like and subscribe.
To BLB Adventures.
Bye.
Bye! Peace out! We got Max D. Here we go. With Max D. Oh!
And you broke it.
And we broke it. Did you see that? What we're gonna have to do is make sure that was done in slow motion.
So, kids, today we are going to do a Monster Gym crash scene magnet. But first, we have to set the magnets, and one of the boxes are small, one of them are big. So let me show you all the monster trucks we have today, and we have 2 Legos. So we got Mohawk Warriors.
That's Shark Shock.
Shark Shock.
Make sure that you are on judgeszone.com right now.
We got Blue Thunder. We got
That's Bone Crusher.
Bone Crusher. We got Soldier Fortune.
And then we have 2 Legos. It looks like we got a Django and a Batmobile. And then we also got another cool green Lego car. So as you can see, Lucca is set up the table with the monster trucks, a couple of Lego cars. And now what we're gonna do is build our magnet tower. So Lucca.
So kids, you can see here that this got this red ninja, the feet, him, and these are his legs.
Awesome.
And this is the fire, and these are guns.
Sweet. All right, let's go set up our magnet tower.
So kids, these he can change into these pants, and he can change helmets. And you can see in the back of him, he has another face.
Awesome. All right, so we got to build some magnet towers. Lucca wanted one big one, so we got to build the base big
Of the big one.
of the big one.
And so kids, you can see a bad guy is driving this little thing. Whatever gets in his way will come up
over
here,
here.
which is a check, which brings you up. And then this will come down, and this big thing will come down and crush you.
Ooh, I do not want to be crushed, so please don't let that happen. All right, so we're,
And remember, this is a bad guy.
that's a bad guy? Okay. So we're building the building up right now. We're using our magnet tiles.
At the top of this, we're gonna add some triangles. We're gonna have a window here. So let me make the window. You'll have a mystery window. If I can put this in. I can't. Sorry.
No more mystery window.
But we are gonna build the other one with this. So then we can put the mystery window.
Lucca, the question I have for you is this tower high enough or are we going taller?
Taller.
You want to go taller? Oh yeah, we're going taller. I like it. There's a window.
Okay.
Put the window right there. And then we have another window. We're going to do another window on this side. So we're building up the tower taller. And I will go as tall as Lucca wants us to go. So we got a lot of epic windows. And the key with the magnet tiles is you gotta have a nice strong base. So if you want to build it up high, you have a strong base. So that's why we use the big magnet tiles on the bottom. So that way we're able to go tall with our tower. So I'm gonna try to go one more layer taller. See if this works. Okay, so we're gonna keep on building.
So kids, we are done with all of our improvements. So if you look through one of these, if you look through the top window, there's the car.
So you can see the car is inside. And Lucca, as our goal is to crash the monster trucks into the building so the car comes out.
Yeah, and there's gonna be some Hot Wheels cars on the road.
Okay, so the Hot Wheel cars you can see are riding on the road. We have the bad guy locked in this smaller building, and then we have the good guy, and then Django's locked in this bigger building. Then Jago. So we are getting some more Hot Wheel cars.
And some of these are parked in here.
Okay, so they're parked in the parking spots.
I know, we're parked in the parking spots because they have to walk all the way over here to the beach.
Ah, they're going to the beach.
It's not a far walk because there's a little point.
Okay, so Lucca, tell me, I am ready to crash monster trucks into the building. I want to do it right
And
now.
one of these cars accidentally drives into the ocean.
Oh no, you drove in the ocean.
And another one's just floating in the ocean.
The other one's floating? Alright, can we do the monster trucks now? Can we crash monster trucks into the building?
And another one got an accident.
Okay, so tell me what we're doing with these monster trucks, Lucca. What's the rules?
So you only have to do it smooth, and if anything breaks, you have to fix it. But it has to be the same as last time.
Okay, show me. Why don't you take a monster truck and do it first?
So see all these signs for mystery. So if you rip the mystery open, you'll get something cool.
Awesome.
But you won't get this.
Okay, so
And if you try to plus sign, you'll get a question, math question.
awesome.
And this one too.
Oh yeah, division. Alright, I got Mohawk Warriors, so I can just go crash them into the building smoothly?
Yeah.
Alright, ready? Here we go. Alright, your turn.
And I forgot to tell you, there's a monster truck in here.
Oh, sweet. I like monster truck surprises. Alright, there we go.
I broke him up.
You got Max C, here we go. What Max C? Oh!
And you broke it.
And we broke it. Did you see that? What we're gonna have to do is make sure that was done in slow motion. That should back down.
So kids,
again.
look what happened to this car. It literally got destroyed and one of the pieces flew all the way over here.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna
And Daddy has to fix that.
I have to fix something really cool. We got the GoPro camera in the Hot Wheels GoPro car, and we're gonna take it down the slide. So I'm gonna go walk up the slide right now with Brayden. Brayden, we're gonna go on the slide. Let's go on the slide. Are you ready to put the GoPro down the slide?
Yeah.
Alright, why don't you take it up? Why don't you take it up?
Okay, Bill.
Take it up the slide.
Yeah. I'm who go to town. I could over there.
GoPro camera. We're gonna put it down the slide, and we're gonna give you a view. That was crazy. That was crazy. Here's the GoPro. Crazy idea to race monster trucks down tree trunks. So Lucca, where are you gonna race it down? You found the tree trunk? How are you gonna race these down, buddy? Whoa! You're gonna see how far you could go up? Whoa, Brayden! That was a little crazy, dude. I saw the fear in your eye when that monster truck came crashing towards your head. That was crazy. Whoa! Look at Lucca, dude. You're climbing up the tree. Yeah, go. That was awesome. Go, Brayden, go. Go, 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 go. What did you find, buddy? Whoa, what are those? Those are seeds, and they're called acorns. Look at those acorns. Those are super cool. Whoa. Are you gonna crush them with the monster truck? Okay, crush them with the monster truck. You gonna crush them?
Oh, I can do it.
He wants to race the monster truck down this hill. So I'm gonna come down the hill and we're gonna race them and we're gonna see which one is the fastest and also which one doesn't crash. So what cars have we got? We got BKT tires, we got Iron Man, and we got a Jeep. All right, you guys ready? Oh, look at the Jeep, look at the Jeep, look at the Jeep. Whoa, Iron Man crashed. That was awesome. That was awesome. Look at the Jeep. The Jeep is what? It's steel on its wheels. We want to see that again. Drop truck. All right, Jeep versus Iron Man. You guys ready? Let's do this. Go. Here comes the Jeep again. Ah, the Jeep went off the road. That one wasn't as good as the first one, but we're gonna go again. Lucca wanted to go get another monster truck. That one got stuck. Iron Man got stuck in the dirt, so we're gonna try again. Try to keep him on the strap. Try to keep him on the strap. All right, ready? All right, here comes Lucca. Here comes Lucca. Lucca, can you tell the kids what monster truck you got? What monster truck do you have? You have Avenger? Is Avenger awesome?
Yeah.
All right, why don't you guys go off the hill? We'll race again. All right, here you guys go. Ready? Don't push them. Oh, 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 oh! Avenger won! Avenger won! It almost flipped. All right, let's go again. Lucca's got the Jeep. Brayden's got Iron Man. I'm gonna back up. You guys wait.
Yeah.
Wait until I'm ready. We're gonna go down. All right, we're gonna see which car is better. Brayden, who's gonna win? Jeep or Iron Man? Up, here comes the Jeep. Here comes the Jeep. Here comes the Jeep. Here comes the Jeep. Ah, Jeep won. Brayden's still trying to go Iron Man. Here comes Iron Man. Oh, that was awesome. All right, take them back up the hill. Let's do this again. Take them back up the hill. Let's race these bad boys again. All right, we're gonna see which one's gonna go faster. going Iron Man. Let's see. Ready? Go. Oh, 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 Iron Man! Iron Man! You guys need to drive better, man. Let's go again. Alright, hold on. Let me get it going. You guys ready? Lucca, count it down. Whoa. There goes the Jeep. Here comes Iron Man. Go Iron Man! Go Iron Man! Iron Man popped off. Whoa! Dude! He's doing a wheelie! Scooby-Doo landed! So awesome! We're gonna have to see that one again in slow motion. That was so cool. You ready? Whoa! Scooby-Doo does a forward front flip. The crowd goes wild. Ah! Hey boys and girls, we're at the park today and we're playing with their monster trucks. Brayden, are you ready to play with their monster trucks at the park?
Yeah.
Are you gonna have lots of fun?
Yeah.
Can you show the little kids your monster truck? Who do you have? Do you know what the name of your monster truck is? It's
Yeah.
Scooby-Doo. Can you show them Scooby-Doo?
Scooby-Doo.
Wow, that is so awesome. You gotta watch our video, we're having lots of fun. Rail, so cool. What up, dude? Let's go. Yeah, oh, off-roading. He makes it. Pretty cool, dude. Let's go shred the rail again, bro. Yeah. Here comes Scooby-Doo. Wow. And he landed it. Here comes BKT. Let's go down and have an epic ride. Oh no, crash and burn. Instead it's an epic fail. BKT, BKT. Here we go. Oh yeah. Uh-oh, crash. Come on, Scooby-Doo. Yeah, Scooby-Doo lands it. So awesome. Here comes BKT, he's ready to shred. Let's shred it, bro. Let's shred it. Oh. Yeah. BKT. BKT. There he goes. Oh, he lands it. So cool. We're just having fun at the park with our monster trucks. We just look for different places to play with them, use our imagination. Right now, they're skateboarding down the rail and doing some epic tricks. Here we go. Oh, Scooby-Doo landed! So awesome! We're gonna have to see that one again in slow motion. Here we go. Oh, Scooby-Doo landed! So awesome! Ready? Whoa! Scooby-Doo does a forward front flip. The crowd goes wild. Ah! So awesome. Uh-oh. Oh. Here at Monster Jam in Texas, we have BKT. First, Scooby-Doo. Lucca drives. BKT tires. Brayden drives Scooby-Doo. Slow motion. Oh. Both crashed and burned. Uh-oh. Let's try that again. Oh. Oh, so close. He landed it! Wow! Scooby-Doo landed it! Are we doing a little monster truck mayhem at the park?
Yeah.
Let's go do the monster trucks again. We're at the park and we're racing monster trucks. So awesome. Go down this big slide first again. Go down the big slide again. Wait for Brayden. Let's do a race. Let's race Scooby-Doo versus BKT. Oh! Uh-oh, they both crashed and burned. Not cool. Let's try that race again, boys. Scooby-Doo versus BKT! The Monster Jam Showdown! Vroom, vroom, vroom! Who do you think is gonna win? What? BKT Tires is gonna win?
Yeah, because he gets 100 points.
Alright, on your mark, get set, go! Oh no! They both crashed again. Not cool. Let's go up, drive them up the hill and see who can get up to the hill faster. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Brayden, you gotta drive it up the hill. Vroom, vroom, vroom. We're going down the hill of destiny, and we'll see which monster truck is faster. Yeah, let's roll them down the hill again. High five. Whoa! Alright, Lucca and Brayden, we're gonna roll these down the hill again. We're just using our imagination at the park, just having fun with our monster trucks. The great thing about monster trucks is they're so universal. You can use them for so many different things. Doing a little monster jam at the house, run them down the park. You've seen other videos where we rolled them at the beach. They're just so much fun. It's a great cheap toy. They're like $8 or $9 for the big monster trucks, and you can use them so many different ways. Highly recommend them for boys or girls. So much fun. And we also watch the Monster Jam show. All right, boys, are we ready to roll Scooby-Doo and BKT down the hill of destiny again?
Yeah.
Brayden, get your monster truck. Uh-oh, here comes BKT. He might make it all the way down the hill on one roll. Whoa, here comes Scooby-Doo. Oh, Scooby-Doo's got some more speed. Oh, there goes Scooby-Doo. Tile time for Monster Jam. Here comes BKT Tire up first. Whoa, and he landed it. Scooby-Doo crashed. Oh no, here comes round two. Who's gonna do the coolest trip? Scooby-Doo lands it. He does a forward flip. What is BKT Tire gonna do? Start. Ooh, forward wheelie. What else is he gonna do? Here comes the big trick. Oh, almost landed it. Oh, he's trying to save it. BKT Tire saves it. Here he comes. Whoa, big jump onto the table. The crowd's going crazy. Whoa, he lands it. He lands it. The crowd's going crazy. Backflip, 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 backflip. Who's gonna do a backflip? Oh, so close. Backflip, backflip, backflip. Here comes a backflip. Brayden, make a Scooby-Doo do a trick. And they land it. The crowd's going crazy. Monster trucks are so much fun. Kids, Now we're in the park and we're gonna do Monster Jam races down the slide, just like they do races at the Monster Jam show. So we have these monster trucks. Brayden, you got 2 monster trucks?
I got you.
All right, ready? Set, go!
Here comes Monster Jam's fiery beast. It's Dragon Ice and John Zimmer.
All right, ready, set, go! Oh, Max D landed it, so Max D won. All right, Lucca's going down the slide.
And I want Max D now.
You want Max D now.
Yeah, I'm going to go.
So we're getting all the monster trucks.
This is the greatest rivalry in motorsports.
Then Brayden's got his monster trucks. He's getting ready to get him go down the slide. On your mark, get set, go! Ah! Dude, that is so much fun. I love it when the monster trucks come off the slide and make the jump. Here comes Brayden. We have played monster trucks in the grass. We played monster trucks in the sand, and now we're playing monster trucks in the park. Takeaway is you can play monster trucks anywhere, and anywhere you play monster trucks is still an epic fun time. Now, Brayden's taking monster trucks on the teeter-totter. We got Gravedigger. Well, let's check out what Lucca's doing. So Lucca's over here on the tire swing. What's that inside the tire swing? Monster trucks inside the tire swing. We have Max D, and we have higher education.
Let's do the monster truck challenge.
We're doing a monster.
Brayden,
Let's play.
get away.
Let's do the monster truck challenge. So the challenge is, what monster truck can stay in the tire swing the longest? So Lucca gave it a spin. You can see him spinning around. I don't know about you, but I'm getting dizzy just watching this tire swing go. But it's still a lot of fun. Fun. We still have 2 monster trucks in there. We're gonna wait till.
Service is done. I'm going to play monster truck hide and seek.
Oh!
I'm going to play monster truck hide and seek. So I have to hide the monster truck. People find them.
Okay.
When we are done hiding the monster truck, Dad's going to come finding us. We're going to follow him around. So kids, and we'll look at a monster truck really quick.
Yeah. So we are
Okay.
gonna go hunt down
So you guys don't follow me. You see that? This is the monster truck I hired. And there's in the bush. Okay, so kids, warm means close. Cold means far away. Hot means really close. Get it? So Dad, now you can go hunt.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I am going to look for the monster truck. So the kids have hid the monster trucks. Now it's my turn to go find them. So I'm gonna start looking. I have no idea where the monster trucks are.
And
So we're
Daddy,
playing.
you're warm right now, and that means you're close.
Okay. So I think I see a couple right here. So I see 2 monster trucks in the bush. We got Higher Education and Max C. So can you grab those 2 for me, Brayden?
No, I just I'm ready.
All right. So we found 2 of the big monster trucks. We still have a lot of small
And you're
ones.
warm right
Okay.
now,
I see one in the tunnel.
so Daddy, get it.
I see one in the tunnel. They want me to go in the tunnel. So guess what? I'm gonna climb into the tunnel. Here we go. Oh, Echo. There goes Chassis Snapper. I grabbed it. You can see I'm in the tunnel. Echo, I'm gonna fall out the other side. This is so much fun.
I don't want you to look in.
So there's a lot of other monster trucks hidden. I have no idea where they are, so I'm gonna look around. So we got a total of 3 monster trucks so far. I'm gonna look around.
My shoe! Dad, can you get my shoe?
Yes, I could get your shoe.
Ah! Dad, can you get my
Okay. Grab your monster truck. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look around the perimeter because they'll probably hide them around the perimeter. So I'm looking. You're the camera, you're my eyes. So you need to help point out monster trucks when you see them, wherever they are. I haven't seen any more monster trucks yet. I'm looking in the trees, looking in the perimeter. I see a bag. All right, these boys did a great job hiding them. I'm looking at the trees, looking around the perimeter. Where is there a monster truck? I don't know. Kids, do you see a monster truck if you point one out? Because I don't see it. Shout out where the monster truck is. You're right. There's one right underneath Lucca. There we go. So we found 2 monster trucks. So we're going to keep on looking. There's no more around the perimeter. Brayden is saying there's one in the grass. So we're going to go look in the grass. So there are 6 monster trucks hidden right now. So we have 3 big ones and 3 little ones. So I have one in the bag. So y'all need to help me find the 3 big monster trucks, which is Max D, Gravedigger Higher Education, and the 3 Hot Wheels monster trucks, which I think is Tiger Shark, the Bull, and another one.
Tiger Shark is next to Brayden.
All right. So we're gonna start looking. I'm gonna ask some hints. Are there any more in the play area? Okay. We see some? Okay. So you all need to help me find these monster trucks. So I think there's some monster trucks around here because Brayden's all excited. Okay, kids, do you see a monster truck?
Brayden, we're not finding them because we hide in them.
Did you see a monster truck? All right. Can you point it out?
Nobody can.
That is right. Found 2 monster trucks. We have 4 more to go. 2 big ones, 2 small ones. We're gonna keep on looking. So, kids, I need your help. Where is the monster truck?
Maxie?
Where's the monster truck? That's right. It's right in front of me. Thank you for the help. We're gonna go get Max D right now. So I'm gonna give Max D to Brayden. Okay. So now we're looking for 1 more big monster truck, 2 more small ones. Let's keep on looking. Alright, so we're gonna look around. We're gonna keep looking. Lucca probably hit him really well. probably so well we're gonna lose them, which happens all the time because we hide them too hard.
And I know where they are.
Okay, so we keep on looking. We're looking. We're looking. Haven't found them yet, so we're gonna keep on looking. Am I hot or cold? Uh-oh. We're gonna keep on looking. Where is there a monster truck? I don't know. Is there something? Kids, I need your help. Do you see something weird in the tree?
What is that?
That's a little hornet. Is there something weird in the trees? That is right. All right, we found higher education. Now we're looking for the small one. Awesome job. We'll keep on looking. All right.
We already have the gold. I can see it from here.
All right, that's a hint. You can see it from here. So I'm gonna keep on looking. Keep on looking. It's in the tree. It's on a rock. Let's see where it's at. We're looking in the tree. I don't see it. I don't even know Lucca's so tall, so we'll keep on looking. Is it down there? Hopefully not, because there could be snakes and stuff down there. I don't want to go in there. Look along the bushes. Daddy getting hot or cold? Colder? We gotta go back this way.
Higher. High.
All right. Do you kids see anything? There it is. You're right. It's right there in the tree. That was an awesome hide by Lucca. So it's gonna.
This branch can hold this thing for the whole entire time.
All right. So we need to.
I bought my thing.
We need to do an inventory. I know we have the 3 big monster trucks. We have a couple of small monster trucks. I think we're still missing 1 monster truck. So we need your help finding 1 more monster truck. I think it's a small monster truck. We're gonna go check on Brayden. And it is. We gotta know where it's hidden. So we'll be right back. So here is all the monster trucks we found so far. So we found Max B, Higher Education, Gravedigger, Shasta Snappy, Tiger Shark. We call this guy Bull. So we're looking for 1 more small monster truck and then we finish this challenge. So it's hidden really, really good. I'm gonna need all your help because Lucca's smiling because he think he hit it so well we're not gonna be able to find it. So I'm gonna need your help to find the last small monster truck of this fun monster truck hide and seek challenge that we had. Kids did a great job. I'm really proud of them because I'm having a hard time finding them.
And you only have first 40 seconds.
40 seconds? Oh no! Well, we better get started, so I need your help. My 40 seconds has started. I have no idea if I'm gonna do it. Lucca's counting.
4.
We're looking.
5.
Idea where this is at. Okay. I didn't find the monster truck in time, so Lucca, I need your help. What? We passed it up? It was right there. How did we not?
Yeah, I passed it up 2 times.
I passed it up twice. So that was a great job. Lucca, high five. That completes our monster truck hide and seek. Remember, smash the like button, subscribe to BLB Adventures, new videos every Wednesday and Saturday, and then share our videos with your friends. Spread the word of your challenge.
Stay cool.
Bye.